how to fix AliExpress locked account. If you'd like to fix your locked account on AliExpress, first of all, there should be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening, right? Now, basically, by hand shutdown, whether you know it or not, you must have deactivated your account by unsubscribing it. Maybe you did an infraction of company policies because you've broken one of AliExpress purchaser policies, or your account has actually been briefly blocked for uncommon activity, or you might have opened up several conflicts on various AliExpress orders. Commonly, your account will be certainly be obstructed because you have violated one of the AliExpress purchaser policies. If you intend to avoid being prohibited, these are the regulations you should adhere to, right? Now, just in case you believe that you haven't done any of this and you think that that isn't truthful, you may obstruct your account. So AliExpress may obstruct your account. Now what you can do is, usually whenever you try to sign in on aliexpress.com, you will get that kind of notification, but you'll also find the option to unlock your account right over there. So you'll find the option called unlock account. So you can see sometimes AliExpress enables you to unclog your account by following a simple actions, simply most likely to your account, and also click the unlock account or turn on button. Comply with the triggers to have your account active once again, and you may need to do a recognition using SMS or email. So once you follow the on-screen instructions, when you get the message, you should be able to fix your locked account. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.